What do you make of this latest development?
Thanks, Vonnie. Look, I think the reality is Comcast is in a really difficult position. They're faced with a programmer who's about to get much, much larger, meaning Disney buying Fox, which is not good for a distributor like Comcast. And they're also faced with, essentially, in Fox and Sky overseas, the last major media industry chess piece being removed from the board. And so if you're Comcast, you don't want Disney getting bigger and hurting you, and you really want to diversify away from the slowing U.S. cable business. This is the only major asset you can go after, especially with AT&T buying Time Warner and Viacom in the midst of tying up with CBS, T-Mobile merging with Sprint. There isn't a lot of other places for Comcast to go, and so I think this is a must-bid if you're Comcast, and you're going to have to bid all cash to beat out Disney's stock bid.
Exactly, and not just the stock bid, but the idea that Fox just wants Disney to buy it. How do you get past that? Is there money that will maybe change the Murdoch mind?
Well, look, I think shareholders, including the Murdochs, are always rational. I mean, at the end of the day, and I could understand, given the AT&T Time Warner and not having visibility of what happened there 6 months ago. Now I think we have a lot better visibility on how that plays out. But, 6 months ago it was you didn't know what was happening with AT&T Time Warner. You were surprised by that government lawsuit. You were probably looking at Disney stock versus Comcast stock, knowing that Disney was going to protect you on a regulatory by paying a breakup fee. It really seemed difficult for the Murdochs at the time to choose anyone but Disney. I think as you look forward now, not only do you address the currency issue, meaning if you don't like Comcast stock, we're going to pay you cash. And a meaningful premium in cash would seem hard to turn down. The media industry, as you've talked about on your show before, it's not exactly like this is bright lights and everything is great going forward. There's real pressure on the legacy media industry. So getting cash, especially a dramatic premium in cash, would seem to behoove the Murdochs. I think they're going to listen to them. I think if the number is big enough in all cash, I don't think there's any way you look past it.